Tu ôl I fi, cartre Lincoln City, y clwb sy'n cael ei adnabod fel yr Imps. Ffug enw haddas iawn I ddisgrifio Cymro ifanc sy'n hawlio'r sylw efo berfformiadau y tymor yma. Yn yr adran gyntaf yn Crys yr Imps ac yn gemau ryngwladol yn Crys Coch Cymru. What has been the highlight so far? Is that a fairly obvious answer to that one?
I think making your debut for your international team has always been something that I've aspired to do, and I've played quite a lot of times for the youth teams, but you know, I trade all of them in for that one cap, and after that it was sort of really, it's honestly difficult to talk about because it's been such a whirlwind really.
And the culmination for you of a journey that started way back, didn't it?
Yeah, come right through the system and probably played about 50 times at all the youth levels, which is something that I look back on with fondness. Not just preparing me to be a footballer, but preparing me to be a good person as well. And I'd like to think those experiences have shaped me today to who I am.
Tell me more about the Welsh way, the thing that you experienced that maybe didn't just make you a better footballer, but a better person.
I think just the staff that you've got there, the people behind the scenes. Probably one of my earliest memories was standing in a room with the other 17 lads and just singing the anthem in front of Cled, who was the education guy. I know you guys know him well. It's one of those things that is, you know, mandatory. When I was 15, I knew the anthem, which obviously, not speaking Welsh and growing up in England, is a big thing.
Belarus was the international debut. That was your stepping stone, wasn't it, into the senior squad and into the starting 11?
Yeah, I think in football, as in life, you don't get many opportunities sometimes to show what you can do. And I think every opportunity that I've had, or most opportunities that I've had in football, I've tried to take. Obviously, that night against Belarus, I must have done enough, or must have done something to show the manager that he can trust me, and you know, and I feel like I've contributed to get to the Euros in the end, which for me is just crazy, really, because like a year ago I wouldn't have even dreamed about it. Like it wouldn't have even entered my head.
Yeah, because in the recent past you could not really get a game for Margate, could you? It's not that long ago.
Yeah, it's mad because, you know, 3 years ago, like you said, I was struggling to get a game in the 6th division of English football, and now, you know, qualifying for the Euros with your country.
What are you looking forward to most in the summer?
Not a holiday, that's for sure. Hopefully not, anyway. If I'm on holiday, I'll be pretty miserable, I think, because obviously that means something's gone wrong somewhere for me.
If selected, then?
Yeah, exactly. If selected, I think just to be a part of the squad. And if I end up being lucky enough to feature at some point, then that for me would be a dream, because last summer, I was on holiday all summer. I think if someone had told me last summer that next summer you won't be having a holiday, I'd be a bit confused, but I'd probably be over the moon when they told me the reason.
So is the Merthyr branch, are they all heading out to Baku?
A few are my family there, that's for sure, and a few of my mates, hopefully. So I think that's one of the great things about football, is that it's a job that you can share with other people, and the joy that you have is not just your joy, and you can share that with the people that mean the most to you.